comment down below what you think we should call him, because we think we've got a name, but we're not 100% sure, are we, Mum? So yeah, comment down below what you think. He's very not shy like Betty, is he? Betty was absolutely petrified when we got her, and he just seemed that petrified of us, which is good. We don't want him to be scared of us, do we? It's a bonus that he's not scared, because basically if you didn't like follow us or anything when we got Betty, we got a black cat. Well, this one's black and white, but Betty's fully black. We got her, and she was really shy. She would go underneath my bunk bed, because I had a bunk bed. Like, she'd go underneath my bunk bed, and we literally would not see her for a few days, because she'd come out at night to get food and stuff, but she'd hide during the day under there, wouldn't she? And it's like we couldn't get her under because it was a bunk bed, and she was so small that we couldn't like block it off really. So yeah, we're glad that he's not as shy as Betty. So yeah,
sure when you get home, because you've got some new things.
Got some new things for him, so I'm going to show you like him exploring and stuff. So yeah.
Hi, so today is Lucas's birthday. He is 23 years old today. Wow, that makes me feel quite old that my son is 23. So we are having day 2 of the celebrations over at my mum's house. Yesterday it was my birthday. I'm not telling you how old I am because it's ancient and I don't want to think about how old I am. Thank you very much. Yeah, so yesterday we also went there for celebrations, and we had got an Indian takeaway from a really nice restaurant, which we love. Is the best Indian that we like anyway. Today we're having a bit more of like a party, my mum's speciality, a party tea, sandwiches, pizzas, all that kind of stuff, buffet thing, so that should be good. We're setting off there soon. Evie stayed over last night and she's been a good girl. She's been lovely, as always. So yeah. Oh, we've got the kitten, taken him for his vaccinations this morning. Well, his first vaccination. They said he's really small for an 8-week-old kitten, so we're wondering whether we might have been told he's 8 weeks when really he isn't. He only weighs 670 grams. He's teeny weeny, isn't he, Eva?
Tiny.
Yeah, he's tiny.
Even smaller than...
He's really playful though, isn't he?
Yeah.
You like him, don't you?
I don't like Rico though.
Oh, yeah, Rico's started being quite aggressive towards Evie, hasn't he?
Yeah.
He went for a face yesterday.
Me.
Oh.
You might not be able to see it. You can see a little mark.
Oh, yeah. He's just finding out that he's got retractable claws and he's using them all the time. I don't think he means it, but I suppose we're going to have to go through that because Betty doesn't scratch anymore, does she?
No.
Where are you taking us?
It's Rico. Here's Rico. Hi, Rico. Hiya. Look at the camera.
Rico. Come on, say Rico.
You like my face? Look at your own. Like, probably doesn't like looking at his own face. Hiya.
Homemade.
Here's some of
Certainly
buns
is.
and cakes.
Been up all night making that.
Hi, video.
Yeah. Elle, you're not on your phone here, love.
The cake's gone pink. Look.
How do these light? I think you have to do it at the top.
They showed it lights.
Yes, Grandpa. Do you
The
think
bottom.
It looks like a sparkler.
Oh no, it might be a sparkler.
Do you want me to try it?
Get back. Get back.
When you burnt yourself, when you were 16,
Fire.
in Australia.
Oh, it's not looking like it was. Oh,
there we
yeah.
go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucas. Happy birthday to you.
And that smells really bad.
No, it doesn't. Good.
You don't need to blow
It
that one
looks
out.
like the
Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday and it's an absolutely beautiful day outside. Hope you're having some lovely weather where you are too. Well, the day has finally come and I get my hair done. I'm so excited, look at it. It's actually, I think it's 7 months since I had it done, so it's way overdue, a good cut. And I'm thinking of having a new look, maybe having about that much taken off. But Eleanor doesn't think I should, because like I wouldn't be able to tie it up or anything, but to be honest it doesn't suit me when it's tied up. So I'm going to be a little bit adventurous, I think, and I'm going to get a colour. I'm going to get rid of this yellow, hopefully, because I don't like this at all. Chicken fur is what I think it looks like. So I'll show you when I get home. Hopefully it will look good. Here's the finished hairstyle. The kitten keeps jumping in with the rabbit. They seem to be good friends and they play together, which is really odd. Millie's had a sniff.
By the way, the rabbit destroys everything, so that's why his cage is. Look what he does. He literally destroys anything in sight of him.
You're going to have to sort it out.
Yeah.
There's the kitten. Bonnie! And if you try and get the kitten out,
The rabbit attacks you. Like
the rabbit doesn't like it. He thinks it's his surrogate dad.
He's his surrogate dad. Barney's his surrogate
No,
dad.
the rabbit's his Barney's. Oi, stop eating the cat food.
No. I just taxed her, by the way.
They're both in there. Oh, here we go, Barney. No, you're not eating rabbit food. Oh, it's a mess in here, Eleanor. You're going to have to sort it out. She chewed everything.
I do. I actually do sweep it out with a dustpan every day, and he just picks more and more chunks of it off.
Do you want to come out, Barney? Did he hiss there?
Yeah.
So he likes the rabbit, but he's not keen on Miller.
Really likes him, doesn't he?
Barney! You're a destroyer, aren't you? Mr. Destroyer.
Because when we got him from his home, I think he destroyed stuff before. Like anything that he saw, he'd destroy.
From boredom.
Yeah. So.
What's all them strings? Is that from his willow ball?
Yeah, he's wrecked all the willow ball that we got him. You know, that massive one. He's chewed it all. And we got that in not that long ago. He literally chews everything. It seemed to give him some sort of, oh yeah, and you know the dream catcher, that's why these little bits, because he's chewed everything off for dream catcher. He chews everything that he sees in sight. Barney's like, back off.
If he wants to live with a rabbit.
Yeah, he does.
I don't know how trusting when he's older.
We'll keep him outside with it. Joking. Just kidding. It is a joke. Better not be filming.
What do you think, Holly, of all this TikTok and you, Millie?
Glasses, guys.
Tell them where they're from then. Do your outfit of the day. Glasses Primark, shorts Primark, trainers Office,
Go away a minute.
jacket and top Pretty Little Thing, was it?